Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to install Facebook on Android. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Android device. Over here, tap on Play Store. Then on the search bar, search for Facebook and hit search. Then on the top, you will find Facebook from Meta. Click on this and just tap Install. You can see here it is pending and is downloading. You can see it is a 56.26 MB on this latest version. It's downloading. And yes, it's downloaded. As soon as it is downloaded, it will start installing on your phone. So in this way, we can download and install Facebook on Android. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.